Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I am so super excited because I'm participating in a collaboration with 4 of my beautiful YouTube sisters here. And in this collaboration, it's called the Spring It Forward collab. So we are going to be sharing with you guys our tablescape or like end tables or coffee tablescapes for the spring, so you guys can have some ideas of how to decorate for the upcoming spring season. Now, in this collab, we are doing a DIY project, and we will be showing you guys our tablescape settings. So let me tell you a little bit about my sisters that I'm collaborating with today. Okay guys, and my first sister co-host is Forlisa with Homebody with Forlisa. You all know Forlisa. She loves all things bling. Her channel consists of bling home decor, bling hauls, bling DIYs, just bling everything. Forlisa is the bling queen here on YouTube. And next we have Trevina with TMB Designs. Trevina loves to do shop with me videos, DIYs, clean with me videos, and decorate with me videos. And her channel motto is, at TMB Designs, we strive to make beautiful designs everywhere we go. Next we have our sister Valerie with Valerie's Glamorous Castle and Decor. Now we all know Valerie loves bling decor also, so she is known for her bling DIYs, her bling decor, her bling home decor hauls. She does shop with me's and decorate with me's, and Valerie's channel motto is, hello kings and queens, always do what you are afraid to do. Okay guys, last and certainly not least is our sister Kira with Styled by Kira. Now Kira's channel is all about home decor, room tours, room makeovers, and affordable DIYs. Now Kira's channel motto is, success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Okay, so let me remind you guys to be sure to go over and visit each of these ladies' channels and let them know that I sent you. Now that you've met these beautiful ladies, let's get into this tablescape. Okay guys, so for the DIY of this project, as you can see, I have my napkin rings here with a napkin in it. The napkin rings are from the Target One Spot, and the napkin is from Hobby Lobby. And I have some greenery here, and these are just pieces. As you can see, it's all taken off there. I did get this greenery from Hobby Lobby in the fall of the year, and it's the eucalyptus stems, and so I'm going to use this for this spring tablescape. So what I'm going to do is just take some of these pieces of the eucalyptus and just wrap it around my napkin ring like this. So I'm going to create like a custom napkin ring to match with my tablescape. So this is a simple and easy DIY project to bring some cohesion to your tablescape, you know, so things can kind of match. There we go. That is my simple and easy DIY project, and you can kind of fluff this up a bit more if you like, but I think it's really cute just like that because I want my tablescape to look really natural and organic. So now let's get into this tablescape. And here is my completed tablescape. I think it turned out so pretty. I add a little bit of greenery at the top in my chandelier, just for some whimsy. I wanted to go for like a spring garden, so that's why I added that there. And I went with the blue and white table setting. Everything that you see that's blue and white on this table setting are items that I thrifted a couple years ago. Okay guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to give me thumbs up and also leave comments down below to let me know what your thoughts are and how you like this romantic spring tablescape that I came up with. Also, as a reminder, be sure to go over and visit the other ladies' channels and subscribe to them, show them some love, and again, let them know that I sent you over. And if you are new here from one of their channels, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button. And also, be sure to hit that notification bell to get alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, mwah, mwah, mwah. You guys know I love you, love you, love you so, so much. I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.